When elite sports empires outgrow their historic homes, they face a monumental, multi-billion-dollar question. Do you tear down decades of sacred sporting history to start completely from scratch, or do you execute a masterclass in high-end engineering by transforming an existing venue? Lately, the world's most iconic sports franchises and wealthy club owners are choosing the latter. We are talking about spending jaw-dropping sums of money to retrofit historic architecture with sci-fi technology, install underground retractable pitches, and add massive solar-powered canopies. These are not simple cosmetic touch-ups or a fresh coat of paint. These are massive structural transformations that cost more than building a brand new stadium from the ground up. Let us pull back the curtain and break down the top 5 most expensive stadium renovations ever completed in sports history. 1. Santiago Bernabéu, Real Madrid. $1.9 billion. Real Madrid did not just renovate their stadium. They effectively built a futuristic, silver-plated steel fortress around a historic landmark, pushing the total cost for the legendary Santiago Bernabéu overhaul to nearly $1.9 billion. The definitive crown jewel of this mega project is a mind-blowing piece of kinetic engineering, a subterranean greenhouse located 100 feet beneath the stadium floor. Because the Bernabéu is surrounded by dense urban Madrid neighborhoods, the club could not slide the pitch outside to get sunlight. Instead, the entire grass field retracts vertically, splitting into long operational trays that lower into a massive underground cave. In this subterranean bunker, the pitch is pampered with hydroponic watering systems, specialized LED growth lights, and artificial ventilation. This allows the stadium to host major concerts, corporate conventions, and even NFL regular season games on a solid concrete floor one night, and pull the pristine grass turf back to the surface for a La Liga match the very next afternoon. Wrapped in a striking, dynamic stainless steel facade that acts as a giant projection screen, the Bernabéu has transformed into a highly profitable 365-day-a-year entertainment powerhouse. 2. Spotify Camp Nou, FC Barcelona. $1.65 billion. Not to be outdone by their bitter rivals in Madrid, FC Barcelona embarked on their own colossal architectural gamble, the comprehensive Espai Barca project. Centered around completely reconstructing the legendary Spotify Camp Nou, the renovation cost for the iconic Catalan stadium scaled to an incredible $1.65 billion. Instead of simple interior adjustments, construction crews stripped the stadium down to its bones, completely demolishing the old third tier and rebuilding it from the ground up to add high-end VIP luxury boxes and premium hospitality suites. The centerpiece of the new Camp Nou is a sweeping, eco-friendly tension cable roof that stands as the largest stadium canopy in Europe. This massive roof is covered entirely in state-of-the-art solar panels, generating enough clean, sustainable energy to power the stadium and feed electricity back into the local neighborhood grid. Furthermore, the stadium's capacity has expanded to an eye-watering 105,000 covered seats. By combining immense historical scale with ultra-modern green energy tech, Barcelona has successfully secured its financial future and created a towering monument to sustainability. 3. Caesars Superdome, New Orleans Saints. $500 million. In the United States, few sports venues carry as much historical weight, architectural pride, and cultural significance as the Caesars Superdome in New Orleans. Rather than building a brand new stadium outside the downtown core, city officials and the NFL's New Orleans Saints chose to preserve the iconic structural silhouette by launching a massive, multi-phase $500 million modernization project. The biggest engineering challenge of the Superdome renovation was completely altering the structural flow inside the building without expanding its external footprint. Teams systematically demolished huge, heavy concrete ramps that had eaten up valuable interior space since the 1970s. In their place, contractors installed sweeping, high-efficiency escalators and glass-walled elevators, completely opening up the concourses and vastly improving foot traffic flow for massive events. Additionally, the project introduced premium field-level luxury suites, ultra-exclusive VIP clubs, and completely redesigned concession zones. This $500 million revitalization has guaranteed that the legendary Dome remains a premier destination for the Super Bowl and major entertainment tours for decades to come. 4. Kyle Field, Texas A&M Aggies. $485 million. When it comes to college sports in America, football is practically a religion, and nowhere is that truer than at Texas A&M University. To cement their place in the ultra-competitive Southeastern Conference, the university authorized a colossal, groundbreaking $485 million redevelopment of Kyle Field, making it one of the largest and most expensive stadium renovations in the history of American collegiate sports. The massive project was completed in meticulous phases, so the team would never have to miss playing a home game. Crews completely demolished the old student section, lowered the actual playing field by several feet to bring fans incredibly close to the action, and built towering, multi-tiered seating decks that brought the official stadium capacity to a staggering 102,733 screaming fans. The design deliberately enclosed the stadium bowls to trap and amplify the famous, deafening crowd noise generated by the fan base. Packed with massive premium club spaces, elite athletic training facilities, and stunning glass facades, the new Kyle Field set a bold new gold standard for collegiate sports infrastructure. 5. Estadio Azteca, Club America/Mexico national team. $150 million. As the historic temple of world football, Mexico City's legendary Estadio Azteca holds a sacred place in sports history, having hosted iconic World Cup finals featuring legends like Pelé and Diego Maradona. However, to prepare the massive stadium for its historic role hosting matches for the upcoming World Cup, the aging structure required a massive, frantic race against time to meet rigid modern FIFA standards, resulting in a sweeping $150 million renovation project. The core focus of the Azteca renovation was completely transforming the fan and media experience while keeping the stadium's legendary, intimidating acoustic environment completely intact. Engineers completely overhauled the stadium's outdated lighting system, replacing it with a cutting-edge, energy-efficient LED system capable of complex light shows. The player locker rooms, media press centers, and medical facilities were completely gutted and rebuilt from scratch to match ultra-modern international sports team expectations. Furthermore, premium hospitality areas were modernized, and public concourses were completely re-engineered to handle massive, fast-moving global crowds safely, proving that the future of sports architecture isn't just about building bigger, but about designing structures smart enough to evolve. These staggering engineering projects show that with enough capital, vision, and architectural genius, the world's most historic sporting cathedrals can be completely reborn for the next generation of fans. If you want to keep exploring the absolute wildest wealth trends, high-tech engineering, and luxury dynamics shaping global sports culture, make sure to hit that like button. Drop a comment below letting me know which of these stadium transformations impressed you the most, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next deep dive video breakdown.